Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Site Survey Pros. I just wanted to make this quick video for the Reddit forum users who've been asking me questions about joining our directory listing. So this listing is specifically for cabling installers, wireless site survey techs or companies, or these companies. So if you're into barcode scanner repair, or as you guys know, those of you who've been watching my YouTube channel, etc., I specialize in wireless site surveys, and then we also do network cabling because our access points need cabling to those devices, those wireless APs. So we do a bit of network and data cabling. So anyways, guys, if you want to join the site survey directory or data cabling directory, go to sitesurveypros.com. And if you're into barcode scanner repair, network and data cabling, or wireless site surveys, you qualify for this. And you can just add your site to the directory, and it's pretty easy. You just come over here, click add your listing. You can create an account, sign in, put in your email, your listing name, so that's your company name, your location. In the contact field this is where the emails that are going to go to. So whether it's marketing at your company or sales at your company, so this is where your leads are going to come in for yourself. The listing region, so we have Australia, Canada, US. We are slowly adding them. We've got Mexico, New Zealand, United Kingdom. If you don't see your region, then just send me an email or send one of my teammates or my staff an email. But you can see we've got all of the majority of Canada and US, but UK, Mexico, etc., we have to slowly start adding them. So just select your region, your listing category. Let's say you do network and data cabling, hours of operation, self-explanatory. Now here you could add your cover image. And then gallery images, like I mentioned, this is, pictures of your office, your staff, some recent work, some of your cabling work maybe. And this is the most important thing, guys, is the description. So as people or potential customers that come to your site, and like I mentioned, we get about 200 calls plus per month, and it's growing, and we can't service these calls. We used to be able to outsource, but a lot of the customers want it next week, or within 3 days, and sometimes it's hard for us to subcontract it and create that relationship with you guys or subcontractors. We do have subcontractors in New York, etc., and other states, but this is the reason why we transform Site Survey Pros into a directory listing, is just because this site gets a lot of calls, enough calls, and we didn't have enough subcontractors to work with in different cities. So we just decided to make it a directory listing, kind of help you guys out with lead generation, adding this for free. Right now it's free, and then we're going to be using a bump off method. If you look at our YouTube channel, there's a bump off method explained. There's only going to be 2 contractors on the site for that particular listing. So 2 network cabling contractors in your state, etc. So this is the most important thing, guys. Put your description, because it's based on your keywords. Take a look at my other YouTube video. You want to make sure that your keywords are searchable, that there's search volume on Google, because this is going to come up. Let's say you're a network cabling contractor, network cabling company in Chicago. You want to put that most popular keyword like Cat 6 cabling in Chicago, or in the Chicago, the metro area. You want to put those keywords in here, because this is what's going to rank when people come to the homepage of Site Survey Pros. So when a potential customer is, when they put in what are they looking for, they could put Cat 6 cabling company, or data structured or wireless site surveys, wireless site survey. Then they would select a region, or they just select all regions, wireless site surveys. And that's why it's important to put your keywords in your description, guys. Also, your website. Put your website, because you get a backlink. So if you guys don't know what a backlink is, basically it's a link that points to your site that you don't own. So because Site Survey Pros is an authority site out in Google's eyes, if you get a backlink, the more backlinks you get, the higher you're going to rank on Google. So this is one advantage of using this site. You get a backlink, the phone number, your video URL. I would recommend creating a YouTube channel. In your description, put your website, and then also put your YouTube, and that also creates another backlink. Then you preview. Then what happens after this is we approve it, or we don't approve it based on your category. And if there's too many contractors in that area, then we take the next step. So that's why it's important to get in early. We work on a seniority level. If there's already 2 contractors in there, we're not going to add you guys or the third person. It just really depends. But anyways, I want to make this quick video, a quick 5-minute video. Add your listing. It's free. And then also, if you want more lead generation strategies on how to collect more leads, just scroll over down here and select join our Facebook group. And our Facebook group, it's called Lead Generation on Autopilot. So this Facebook group is only for network cabling contractors, MSPs, wireless site survey companies, no marketers. It's just me talking about how we've been able to generate leads in different areas, whether it's YouTube, Google, organic, outreach, cold calling, cold emailing, etc. So anyways, click join now. The only requirement is you have to put your company name, and that's it. So anyways, if you have any questions, guys, reach out to me on LinkedIn, YouTube, etc., and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.